Doing the reading of your notes for Nomu for Thursday, April 22nd. おとといは 2 days ago. 2 days ago, I went to an onsen with my family. You said. So I asked, 仕事はどなたの? What happened to work? Didn't you have to work? Didn't you have work? And you said, 休みを取った. And that's, I took the day off. I took the day off. I took the day off is 自分で決めること。自分で取った。で、今日は休みだったら I have the day off. I have 月曜日は私の休みは月曜日です。I have Mondays off. How did you get there? I asked. You said first by car. By car is not very natural, but many students say that. You can say by train, by subway, by taxi, by bus. But if you drive, then we drove or I drove. Okay. We took a train. We took a bus also. We took a subway. We took a taxi. Take, there are many take idioms. For example, ちょっと休憩したら take a break. 薬を飲む take medicine. 散歩する take a walk. 授業を受ける take an English class. 試験を受ける take a test. 座ってください take a seat. Have a seat より take a seat の方がちょっと強いかな. Have a seat, have a seat, take a seat, take a seat. まあ、イントネーションが一番大事ね。ノート書くは take a note, take notes. 旅行に行く、旅行に出るは take a trip. He went to Tokyo. He took a trip to Tokyo. でもいい。He went to Tokyo の方がよく使うね。He went to Tokyo. Okay. 誰かをどっかに連れて行くは take somebody somewhere. I took my family to an onsen. Well, chapstick. My lips are chapped. Okay. I took my staff to dinner. I took my staff to an izakaya. I took my staff to Denny's. Page 2. You have to remember these little higher level words or adjectives. We learned angry, so I'm very angry. I'm furious. I'm furious. で、本当に怒ってるってslang version. I'm pissed off. 会話的だったら conversational or 会話的な英語で会話的な言葉は conversational or colloquial. Colloquial. お腹本当についてるは I'm starving. I'm starving. I'm starved でもいい。ちょっと珍しいだけど starving か starved どっちでもいい。Okay? There's a 熟語 or an idiom for this, and that's I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. 本当に嬉しいは I'm ecstatic, I'm thrilled, I'm overjoyed. I'm overjoyed. 本当に疲れてるは I'm exhausted. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. Super 恥ずかしい or very embarrassed is I'm humiliated. I was humiliated. Are you comfortable? Comfortable has another meaning that's very interesting. お金持ちは he's rich or he's wealthy. もうちょっと硬い言葉で he's affluent. Another way is he's comfortable. rich はちょっとなんかある、ちょっとね、自慢してるみたい。I'm rich だよ。誰かに聞かれると Are you rich? と聞かれたら I'm rich 言わない方がいいね。それより I'm comfortable って言えばいい。I'm comfortable. Okay. My job is difficult. My job is difficult. And my job is interesting. 一緒にすると My job is challenging. My job is challenging. Challenge, remember, is the 目的語 must be 人間. I challenge you to a fight. I challenge you to arm wrestling. I challenge you to a game of tennis. I challenge you to golf. Okay? Good. I challenge you to a game of golf. Page 3. Typical mistake or 典型的な間違いは I want to challenge that. No. I want to try that. Okay. I want to try やってみたいね. I want to try taking that test. I want to try TOEIC. Or I don't want to try TOEIC. I want to try snowboarding. I saw him, number 27 from your typical mistake sheet. I saw him when I was a student. What is the same? 何が同じ? Remember, the same, the same, the same. Okay? My wife and I have the same name. I have the same book. Okay, we have the same computer. But there's one case that's okay. The 言わないときは、いらなくてもいいときは、別になくてもいいときは、waitress says, "Hi, can I get your order?" or "What can I get you?" Customer A says, "I'd like a cup of coffee." B says, "Same." Or the same. Okay. I forgot my book at home, or I forgot the book at home. I forgot a book at home でもいい。でもその場合は本いっぱいあるときね。Oh, I forgot a book, or one of my books ね。練習するは practice 動詞 ing. I have to practice speaking English. それが名詞でもいい。I have to practice golf. I have to practice English. I have to practice English でもいいね。短期は short-tempered. でも名詞として I have a short temper. I have a short temper. Do you have a short temper? I have a short temper. So I have to practice patience. I have a short temper, so I have to practice patience. I have to practice my swing. I have to practice the guitar. Please remember, on day, on Tuesday, on Sunday, on my birthday, on Saturday, in week, in month, in a year, in year, okay, in 1997, in January, in the first week of January, okay, at time, at 3 o'clock. Over 2 days plus, so over the weekend, over the holidays, over my vacation. Okay. どこの国に行ったことありますか? What countries have you been to? Or where have you been? My brother-in-law, in-law is giri. Giri no nani nani. My sister-in-law, my mother-in-law, my daughter-in-law. なんでもいい. Okay. Promise is 約束する, but promising means 未来が明るい. For example, he is a promising young golfer. He is a promising young teacher. He is a promising young doctor. He's a promising young man. Trick という言葉, 3 meanings. One of them is bad, and 2 of them are good. One trick is like a sagi, like don't do it. It's a trick, like ore ore sagi. Another one is like magic. Look, magic. It's a trick. Another is technique or kotsu. For example, if you hit your ball into a sand trap, then there's a trick to getting it out of the sand trap or sand bank. I'm not sure. There's a trick. なんかそのボールをサンドトラップから出すのはちょっとコツがある. Okay. When you give advice, please remember very easy. You should nani nani. You should see a doctor. You should take a break. You should take a nap. Hirune. Take a nap wa hirune. Maybe no wa iwanai. Maybe not is okay. Okay. Maybe she doesn't. But maybe not. Maybe she does. Maybe. Maybe to maybe she does is the same. Okay. You should change your job. You should practice your swing. You should practice your putting. You should put on a jacket. Please remember, in English we have action verb and description verb or explanation verb. Action verb is suru doshi and explanation is setsume doshi. Put on, go to sleep, learn, read, hear, get, take are action verbs. And setsume doshi or explanation verbs or description verbs are wear, sleep, know, and have. Another long video for you. Please try to listen to this video a few times. You don't have to watch the video. You can just listen to the video. The more you listen, the better your listening will improve. Your English will improve. Jotatsuru. The more you listen. So please listen to this video many, many times, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye, Nomu.